I have mastered packing my car for a road trip. So stay tuned as I go over how I do it. Okay, let's get through this. I have several things here that I use that help me pack with my kids. So I'm gonna get through. We got packing cubes. We've got, luggage packing dividers. And then I use a Vera Bradley Weekender, okay? Vera Bradley Weekender, 1 packing cube per person, and then each child gets a separator for pajamas and underwear. Pajamas go in one thing, underwear goes in another thing, and then their regular clothes that they have planned for the trip just go into their cube. Now on short trips, I usually put 2 girls in one, my son and I in another, and then my husband always gets his own. My husband he's a big traveler for work. He travels all the time for work. So he has his way of doing things. And I've always given him the option, like, you don't have to use this if you don't want to. And he always does. So we are a family of 5 in a mid-size SUV with 3 rows. We now use the 3rd row because the kids are just getting big, and putting them in the whole, 3 kids in that center seat just isn't feasible for us anymore. So in that way, I need to be smart about how I pack my car for road trips that we take. So that is how I do it. Those stack really easy in the trunk. We could fit all 5 in there when we take 5. And then my duffel bag. So like I said, was the toiletry bag. So there's no problem there. So that is how we do it. I will also link a video for you to see how they stack up in my car, because I'm just so happy that I found and figured this out. All right, 2 things my daughters take. My daughters both have their own pin trading backpack when it comes to Disney. However, yes, they are Disney pin trading backpacks, but they are big enough. They're pretty good size. They fit their tall water bottles, a book, the autograph book or a book, a pair of flip-flops, stuff like that. So they use these backpacks. These are their traveling backpacks. So they have that, and then they have these that they use to travel, because like Dollywood, Busch Gardens, they have their own little trading pins. A lot of places have their own pins. So they collect pins from all over the place, really. And then they carry these backpacks. But like I said, so this is Mickey's face here. This is my oldest. She's much more, not even just her age, but her personality. She's much more organized. This is the way she does things. So the great thing about these is they have this extra zipper. You open the zipper, you can get to all of the pins. And then if by chance the bags fall off and the pins fall, boop, boop, in the backpack they go, and you don't have to lose them, as opposed to the lanyard. So this one, believe it or not, has pins in it. They're just all at the bottom here because she is a rebel without a cause. I don't know if she doesn't, I never asked her, so I don't know if she doesn't want to cover up Stitch's face or why she does not have them on there. But I will show you, she does have a bunch of her own pins. She just chooses, for whatever reason, to not have them there. And then her backpack is full of a lot of weird things. So we won't get involved in that. That is how I pack my car with all 5 of my kids. And this is, I don't have 5 children. I have 3 children, but all 5 of us. And this is how I pack. This is their backpacks that they use for their own personal items when we're on the go. Doesn't matter, flying, whatever it is. These cubes also work in a suitcase, and it's great because you can take them from your suitcase into the drawer, okay? I love them. I hope that you find this video helpful and useful, and like and subscribe check the comments for the links for the stuff I posted here that will be there. You can purchase them. And I hope that you enjoyed, and I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you soon. Have a good day.